video, I will be demonstrating about Pragmatic TechSoft's Odoo custom module called as SAP-Odoo connector. This module is helpful for transferring data from SAP to Odoo and vice versa. For this demonstration, I will be transferring personal data. In terms of SAP, personal data info type is 𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗍2. So moving to the Odoo module. So this is the module. I'm going to the form view. So this is the form view. Here for this demo purpose, I will be using the connection type as local. So what I meant my local connection type is that I will be exporting personal data from SAP and placing the file in a specific folder so that Odoo can pick that exported SAP data file and import the data automatically. We have one more connection type called as OData service. So if we want to use this, we need to provide username, password of a SAP system and URI of a particular info type. So for this case, like personal data 𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗍2, so a particular URI will be provided by the SAP, so we need to provide that in this fields. Okay, so before going any further, I want to say one important note that this module is highly customizable. So data transferring is not only limited to personal data. We can transfer the data related to leave management and many other HR data. We can also add remove fields for synchronization, adjust data mapping based on your SAP Odoo structure, and also set up some custom triggers and automation rules. Okay, coming back to the demo, as I said, I will be using connection type as local. So for that I need to provide two folder paths. As you can see, I have already provided. So one folder will be for my local import folder path. So whatever data I will be exporting from this app side, it will get saved in this particular directory. Okay, and this directory is for once I export the data from Odoo side, it will get saved here. Okay, so I will go to the SAP system. So as you can see here, this is the personal data, and here 10 records are there. Okay, I will be exporting this 10 records. And I'll keep it in a specific folder so that Odoo can pick that this exported data file. Okay, so file got exported. I'll move to the Odoo side. So once I click this import SAP data button, then those 10 data records will get imported in the Odoo side. So it will take few seconds. As you can see, successfully imported 10 data from the provided file. There's none any error. There's no error. And once it import the file, it keeps a log of it. So the export file, that file name was export.xls. So the reason for this is that it will prevent the duplication importing of the records. And also for this demo purpose, I have triggered the import data feature by clicking the button, but we have a scheduler feature, so for importing the data automatically. So I have set it for triggering the this feature, importing feature, once a day. Okay, we can change the triggering time according to our needs. So to see all the imported data, we need to go to the model called as employer, and here you can see all the 10 records got imported. And for a record, like for the field mapping, the full name will be displayed here. Some of the fields value from the SAP will be displayed here. So this identification number, in terms of Odoo it's identification number, but in terms of SAP it is personal data, personal number. So it is 10. For James Bond it is 10. If I go to the other employer, for this employer it's 102, and so on. For other employers, Harry Hill, it's 71. The fields that are present in SAP are not present in Odoo, so for that we have created an separate tab for it, and we have placed all those fields here. So like validity end, validity begin, then last name, first name, middle name, and so on. Okay, so in order to see that my this whatever updation I will be doing in the Odoo side will get reflected in the SAP side, I will add some value, make some changes in the first name and last name value. Okay, I'll add a word demo in both the field, first name and last name. I'll click on save. After saving, I'll click on export to SAP. So it will, once I click on it, it will export this particular data, Harry Hill, to the specified folder. So as you can see, exporting of the data file was successful. So the data got exported and placed it in this folder. And coming back to the SAP side, so this is the ABAP program through which we will be importing the Odoo exported data. So I will select that specific file and click execute. So it will take few seconds. So as you can see, the employee number 71 and status data updation successful. So to see that data, here I will tap that personal number and click personal data. So as you can see, the last name and first name has a extra word demo. So this demo what I added in the Odoo side, same got updated here in SAP side. So this is all about the module. As I said earlier, this is highly customizable module. Based on your business requirements, it can be customized. So please feel free to reach out to Pragmatic TechSoft. Thank you.